Hi, it's David in the stained glass studio, and we had a student who made this window. It's beautiful, and then she took it home and realized it wouldn't fit. And the reason it wouldn't fit is because when she taped her pattern together, it kind of bowed. And so here I'm putting a tape measure right on the edge of the metal, and then I'm going to this edge of the metal. Okay, you see that? So that gives me a straight line. And look, right here, it's clear 1/4 of an inch over. So what we have to do to fix this is take off this piece of metal. That'll give us an extra 1/8 of an inch. Then I think we're going to cut it some so that it'll fit in her window. Okay, so in order to do that, I've got to take this metal off. And this will be a very interesting project.
It's a very interesting situation.
Yeah. Doesn't happen all the time. So now I'm heating up the solder, both the top and the bottom. Now I wiggle it so it'll come apart. And I hold it at the middle point of the zinc. I don't go in all the way because I don't want to compress it against the glass. Okay, so see if I can. It's not that it's that hard. It's just sort of unwieldy since it's such a long, thin piece. on this side we've got the board. It's over 1/8 of an inch, and then on this end I've got it over 1/8 of an inch. Now the reason we're doing that is because when I put this metal back on, you see it takes out about 1/8 of an inch, but it also adds 1/8 of an inch to the final project, and so I'm taking off an extra 1/8 just to be careful, so it'll fit. But you know, when I look on this side, you can see that there's a little bit of overlap on the board, and you go here and it's even with the board here, and then it goes under a little bit more, and then over there. So total, I think, is it's a quarter of an inch off. I think it's going to be okay when we go to install it. So this is going to be where I'm going to be cutting. Now right here is the place that I'm a little worried about, because this is kind of encroaching on one of those stars that she's got. Okay. I'll shift it over. Okay. Okay, well this piece fits right here as a replacement. And so now I gotta foil it.
Looks like you've got this cut to size.
Well, we still don't know. Okay, so now I have to
Lift it up.
get my little piece of paper stuffed under there.
So there's not much, but that little bit would make a difference.
Okay, that.
I'm surprised you went to the edge.
Yeah, but I didn't round it up. It made it flat. I was trying to, stick this piece of foil back on. Yeah, it's a little bit up. Okay, and this. Okay, so now I just have that final piece over there that I need to cut. So this zinc only comes in 6 foot lengths, and this window is longer than 6 foot. So what I did was I measured to where it's going to butt up to here, and then I cut it off at a place where there's also a joint. And this will then there'll be a little bit of a spot here. I could have notched that out, but I just didn't think it was necessary.
Will that be covered by molding or something?
No, caulking. kind of nice. The horseshoe nails tighten up as you pound them in so that you get a nice tight fit, because that wedge on the end of it pushes it over.